Hi everybody, how are you? Hi everybody from Mrs. Molnar and Mrs. Marrese and some from Miss MacIntosh's class. How are you today? It's so good to see you. I hope you've been having a good week at home and you've been spending lots of time with your family. And here we are, we have another week of music, so you can have this video all week long. Right? And you can watch it all week. So let's get started. Let's get ready to say hello. That's right. So let's get set. Let's clap hands. 1, 2. Good. Next, stomp feet. 1, 2. Nice job. Next, pat knees. 1, 2. Nice job. And let's get ready to say ready, set. Let me hear you. Go! Wow, nice job. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready? 1, 2. Nice job. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. Ready, Kevin? 1, 2. Nice job. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, Emma? 1, 2. Good. Hey, hey, it's time to sing with me. So let's sing la, 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 la. Your turn. Good. La, 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 la. Wow, what good singers in here. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Good, Christopher. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Good, Bryson. It's time to dance. It's time to play. So help me say, ready, set, go! Good, Ian. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Clap your hands. Ready, clap hands. 1, 2. That's it, Adrian. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Stomp your feet. 1, 2. Hey, hey, it's time for music. Pat your knees. Ready, pat knees. 1, 2. That's it, Jacob. Hey, hey, let's see who's here with me. Let's see who's here today. All right, so last time I saw you on our video, I told you how you can make a drum out of any sort of household object. So what did you guys find? Maybe some of you have a drum at home. All right, so let's get out our drums and get ready to say, where is? Good, and now you say, here I am. Now you say, where is Miss Melinda? That's it. Here I am. Now together, it's so nice to be with you today. Yay! Great job. All right, so did you know that we're now in a new season? So last week, we were in the season of winter. And does anybody know what season it is now? Yeah, that's right. It's the season of spring. So what happens in the springtime? Does anybody know? Does the weather get colder or does the weather get warmer? That's right. The weather gets warmer and it might start to rain a little bit more, but that's okay because the rain brings flowers, right? And the trees start to bloom and the grass gets greener. So we're going to do some songs about springtime, and I thought we should start with a song about rain. So when it starts to rain, what do you need when you go outside if it's raining? You need your umbrella, that's right. You might also need your raincoat or your rain boots, but I thought this could be a fun song for us to do today about our umbrellas. Does anybody have a really cool umbrella at home? Maybe one with dinosaurs on it or flowers on it or a different character that you like on it. All right, so for our umbrella song, you can get out your shakers, any sort of shaker, or you could keep your drum. Any sort of instrument would be good for this one. And see if you can make it sound like rain, right? This is the shaker I made. I think I showed you this last week, right? I took a soda can. I filled it with macaroni. I covered it with tape. I made a little instrument. And you know what? It kind of sounds like rain, right? And this is my special rain stick. Maybe some of you have this at home. I love this one. Right? Fun. Ooh, sounds like rain. So let's get ready to sing our umbrella song. All right, this is a new one. I haven't done this one with you guys yet, but maybe you've heard it before. We'll see. We'll see if you know it. If you know it, sing along. So here we go. Everybody got your instruments? Are you ready? I think it might rain. There are clouds in the sky. Today is the day that I won't forget my umbrella. Umbrella. I'm gonna tell you the rain is coming down. Can you say that with me? Ready? Umbrella. Umbrella. I gotta tell you the rain is coming down. Here it comes. Let's hear you shake those shakers. Ready? Drip, drop, drip. Drip, drop, drip. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip. It's getting faster. Drip, drop, drip. Ooh. Drip, drop, drip. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip. Good thing we have our umbrellas. Umbrellas. I gotta tell you, the rain is coming down. All right, this class is the best singing class, so let me hear you sing that with me. Are you ready? Umbrella. Umbrella. I gotta tell you, the rain is coming down. Here comes the wind. Careful, don't blow away. Here we go. Whoa, feel the wind. Whoa, whoa, feel the wind. And hold on tight, hold on tight, hold on tight. It's gonna blow your umbrella. Umbrella. I gotta tell you, the rain is coming down. Ready? Help me sing it. Umbrella. 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 The rain is coming down. Here it comes. Ready? Drip, drop, drip. Let me hear you shake. Drip, drop, drip. Hear the rain? Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip. It's getting faster. Drip, drop, drip. Drip, drop, drip. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip. I really love my umbrella. Umbrella. I gotta tell you, the rain is coming down. Here comes the wind again. Watch out. Here we go. Whoa, feel the wind. Whoa, whoa, feel the wind. And hold on tight, hold on tight, hold on tight. It's gonna blow your umbrella. Umbrella. I gotta tell you, the rain is coming down. Help me sing it. Ready? Umbrella. umbrella, umbrella. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. Good thing we have our umbrellas. Nice job, everybody. What did you think? Did you like that song? That was a new one for us, right? Has anybody heard it before? Maybe you've heard it before. All right. So, speaking of umbrellas, I brought some different color umbrellas with me. Can I show you? They're little pictures of umbrellas. I have a little, what color is this one? It's green, right? And what number does it have? It has the number 1, right? Next I have, what color? Blue, that's right, with the number 2. That's right. Next I have a red one with the color, the red one with the number 3. That's right. And a yellow with the number 4. And what color is this? Jacob, can you show me? Yes, the color orange with what number? Yep, 5. All right. So I have different sheets with a different number of raindrops on them, and we're going to try to match them with a special song. So it goes like this. All right. You guys are really good at counting in this song, in this class, right? Here we go. Here's the song. Drip, drop, drip, how many raindrops do you see? Drip, drop, drip, won't you count them for me? Good, how many raindrops? It's 1, right? 1 little raindrop falling from the sky, and with a, what color? Green umbrella with the number 1 will keep me dry. Good. All right, what comes after 1? Are you ready? Let's count. Here we go. Drip, drop, drip, how many raindrops do you see? Drip, drop, drip, won't you count them for me? How many? 1, 2, that's right. 2 little raindrops falling from the sky, and with the, what color? Blue umbrella with the number 2 will keep me dry. Ready? 1, 2. 2. Here we go. Let's see what's next. All right, so we did 1, 2. What number do you think is next? You're probably right. Here we go. Drip, drop, drip, how many raindrops do you see? Drip, drop, drip, won't you count them for me? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 little raindrops falling from the sky, and with a, what color? Red umbrella with a, what number? 3 will keep me dry. Good, here we go. Drip, drop, drip, how many raindrops do you see? Drip, drop, drip, won't you count them for me? Ready, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little raindrops falling from the sky, and with the, what color? Yellow umbrella with the number 4 will keep me dry. Good, let's keep going. Here we go. Drip, drop, drip, how many raindrops do you see? Drip, drop, drip, won't you count them for me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky, and with the, what color? Orange umbrella with the number, what number? 5 will keep me dry. Awesome job, let's match. Good, the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raindrops. You did awesome. We also did 4, 3, 2, and 1, right? Great job, everybody. All right, so spring doesn't only bring rain, right? Springtime also brings a lot of sunshine. So I think we should do a song about the sunshine and get up and get ready to dance. What do you think? I know we have some great movers in this class. All right, so let's get ready to dance. Let's get ready to boogie. Are you ready? You can ask anybody in your family to help you and dance with you. I want to see all your moves. Are you ready? Here we go. We're dancing on the sunshine. Oh, we're dancing on the sunshine. Oh, we're dancing on the sunshine. Oh, and don't it feel good? And don't it feel good? All right, is everybody standing up and dancing? All right, let's try this. Can you wave your arms in the air from side to side? Let me see you wave from side to side. Let's wave our arms, let's wave our arms, let's wave our arms from side to side. Let's wave our arms, let's wave our arms, let's wave our arms from side to side. What about jump? Can you jump? Let's jump up and down. Jump, 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 and stop. Let's wave up and, or let's jump up and down, jump, 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 and stop. Good. And let's get ready to dance. I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? And don't it feel good? All right, can everybody clap your hands? Show me clapping. Yeah, that's it. Clap. Yeah, keep clapping. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands to the beat. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands to the beat. Let's stomp our feet. Let's stomp our feet. Let's stomp our feet. Let's stomp our feet. Ooh, how about spin? Can you spin without getting too dizzy? Here we go. Let's spin around. Let's spin around. Let's spin around and spin and stop. Are you dizzy? Let's spin around. Let's spin around. Let's spin around and spin and stop. One more time. Let's spin around, let's spin around, let's spin around and stop. And let's get ready to dance. All right, let me see your moves. I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, I'm dancing on the sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? Let's sit back down, let's sit back down, let's sit back down and see what's next. Let's sit back down, let's sit back down, let's sit back down and see what's next. And let's take a deep breath in. Ready? Take a deep breath in. And let it back out. Take a deep breath in and let it back out. Wow, that was some pretty good dancing, everybody. Mom and Dad, I see you dancing. Nice job. All right, so let's see. So far, we've done songs about the rain and umbrellas and songs about dancing on the sunshine. Ooh, that might have been kind of hot, right? Dancing on the sunshine would be hot. Ooh, next time if we do that song, we should be like, ooh, ah, hee, ooh, ha, that's a little hot for me. And now I think we should do a song about different things that can grow in the springtime, right? And one of the things that grows is grass. The grass gets nice and green. So I think we should sing a song called The Green Grass Grows All Around. Does anybody here know that song? You might know it. I'll play it for you. You can tell me if you know it. So this song involves me singing and you repeating what I say. And then I have some pictures to help us. So this song starts with a hole in the middle of the ground. Are you ready? All right, so here's our hole. And this class has such good singers in it, so I want to hear you sing. Are you ready? There was a hole, there was a hole. That's your part. Ready? Let's try again. Here we go. There was a hole in the middle of the ground, in the middle of the ground. The prettiest hole that you ever did see. And the green grass grows all around, all around. And the green grass grows all around. All right, so let's get some grass for our hole. All right, here we go. There's some grass. All right, let's see what's next. All right, here we go. And in that hole, there was a, what is it? Can you tell me? A tree. There was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. The tree in the hole and the hole in the ground. Let's get it ready. And the green grass grows all around, all around. Let's get some more grass. And the green grass grows all around. Ooh, let's see what's next. What do you think might be in the tree? Let's find out. And in that tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. The branch in the tree, in the tree, in the hole in the ground, where the green grass grows all around, all around. Where the green grass grows all around. All right, let's see. Let's put the branch on the tree. There we go. Let's see what's next. What do you think might be in the branch or on the branch? What do you think? Let's see. And on that branch, there was a nest. There was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. The nest in the branch on the tree, in the tree, in the hole in the ground, where the green grass grows all around, all around. Where the green grass grows all around. Let's see, let's put some more grass on. Here we go. All right. So what do you think might be in the nest? Let's find out. And in that nest, there was an egg. egg. The prettiest egg that you ever did see. The egg in the nest on the branch on the tree, in the tree in the hole in the ground, where the green grass grows all around, where the green grass grows all around. All right, so let's put that egg in that nest and get some more grass. All right, so there's one more. Let's see. What do you think is inside the egg? I'll give you a hint. It goes tweet, 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 tweet. What do you think that sound is? Let's find out. And in that egg, there was a bird. There was a bird. The prettiest bird that you ever did see. The bird in the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree, in the tree in the hole in the ground, where the green grass grows all around, where the green grass grows all around. All right, let's put that birdie in the egg and sing it one more time about our grass. Here we go. And the green grass grows all around. Let me hear you. And the green grass grows all around. Good job. All right, so let's put all the grass back. Nice job. What do you think? Do you like my drawings? What do you think? Do you think I'm a good artist, or do you think I should stick with music? Yeah. I made my bird and my egg and all this in the tree and all the grass. Nice job, everybody. Woo. So I hope that you're enjoying these music videos, and I hope that you're getting to watch them all week long. And I can't wait to see you guys in person soon. I hope everybody's watching. I hope some kids from Miss MacIntosh's class are watching too. Like Isaac, are you watching? Aaron, are you there? Are you there, Lance? Are you there, Freddie? Are you there, Henry? I hope so. I hope some of you are watching too and getting to enjoy all these videos and your time at home. And I hope you're getting lots of rest and just enjoying time with your family. All right, so let's get ready to say goodbye. And if I don't see you next week in school, I will see you next week on one of our videos. That sound good? All right, let's get ready to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Good, let's sing it again, ready? Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Let's say goodbye to the music until next time. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. 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 Bye, everybody. Have a great week.